All right, guys, big mistake. Big mistake I made. All right, guys, I did a video on diagnosing this thing, but I did not show each back probing that I did. But today I'm doing another video on a big mistake that I made, guys. So I'm gonna show you guys the big mistake I got. This is a relay. You're gonna find it right here, guys. All right, and this is a rear AC on a Lexus. What is this? This is LX470 2005 model, 456. I believe they're all the same. Even a probably Toyota Sequoia. This right here controls, this is the blower motor right here for the rear AC only. All right, heat does not pass through it. So originally I said this piece is bad right here. However, I made a mistake. All right, and that's not the problem. So let me show you what is the problem. First, I want to show you what I diagnosed. This white cable right here, it goes to the blower motor. So this controls the ground, and this gives it direct power. All right, and right here you're gonna see my test light up. All right, let me turn this off. You see that my light is little lid. This relay has power, and I'm only using this direct power so I can check the speed on that little guy right there. All right, so I'm gonna place my light right here. I'm gonna go over there and control the slow, high, medium speed, and pay attention to that light. It's off right now. That's normal. It's dim. So, all right, guys, this is, I can't see. Let me. All right, I'm gonna put this on low. You see that? That's medium, and that's high. Right, and that's off. So low, medium, high. All right, so misdiagnostic, guys, big mistake. Next time I will go more further with everything, guys. All right, so guys, this little guy played me out. This relay clicks but it does not send out power. I did test it last week. Maybe at one time it did give power out, but now it's not giving power out anymore, and I'm gonna show you that just now. Right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna reverse the procedure here. We're gonna take the ground from here. As you can see now, see that power? The power is supposed to come out through this blue cable. Once the relay activates, it's supposed to come out. All right, and watch, the relay is gonna click, but the light is not gonna light up. All right, guys, the relay is gonna click, but the light will not light up. Alright, guys, so there's the problem. So the problem is this relay right here, right? Even though it works, it does not make a connection enough for it to get power to the blower motor. I want to show you one more thing. I removed this little cover of this relay, all right? And if I go over here, this is where the controls are for the AC. You see I have the light lid. Let me move it a little bit. You see the high is on, but there's no motor coming on here, right? But watch this. I'm gonna take my screwdriver and I am gonna put these two together right there. You see little sparks? That's okay. But the motor comes on. So what I discovered is this little contact here broke apart, all right? This little contact supposed to be connected to that. And it's supposed to make the motor come on and off. All right, so that's the problem we have there, guys. All right, so replace this little fella right here. It's gonna be attached to right there, to that little metal right there. It has a little plastic. Besides this plastic cover, it has another plastic cover which I got on the floor right here, guys. See that right there? That's the number. And the part number on this is, before you order anything, before you take apart, guys, the part number on this is 058700-4000. So again, it's 058700-4000. I'll repeat again, 058700-4000. All right, and this one has the same part number on this little guy right here. My light is reflecting it, but this will have the same part number. But that's the problem right there, guys. Replace that relay and everything's gonna work smooth. All right, while you at it, replace that blower motor or resistor also, which is right there, and just knock them both out. Right, that's it. All right, guys, we're still on this case of this Lexus, this relay. I took this apart and want to show you one thing, guys. When this relay activates, this becomes a magnet and it pulls this down. It's supposed to give power to this little terminal here, which is the blue cable that goes to the blower motor, which is power from the fuse straight to the motor. Right, and when you press the off button, this disengages and there's no power being transferred from here to that. All right, and that's why we put that little guy right there. But let me show you a small trick. This little guy, when it makes connection with this, it pretty much runs through it. It ends up right here, and the little hole right in the center, that's where it comes to, guys. All right, and it is not connected to any of the other cables, all right, to any of the other terminals. So what we can do here is we can run a small cable which will attach from here to this. All right, you can just wrap it around this, and I want to show you a small trick. I got my voltmeter here. I got my voltmeter on continuity here. It's gonna beep, so every time I make these two, if the connection goes from this guy to here, it will make it beep. All right, just like that. All right, so I'm gonna be touching this little guy right here, and on the other end I'm gonna be touching right there. See that? All right, guys, one more thing I discovered here is, if I take this and I push it down a little hard, it works, guys. All right, so this thing probably has carbon build on it. This relay is weak. It's gotta go, guys. Now I pushed it in there, it's working fine. All right, but we're gonna replace that relay. You see that? The motor is just running now. That's it. Found the problem, did a good job. All right, guys, I found a relay. Part number on this relay is 056700 LX7250, right? Denso 12 volts. This relay originally that came out of this Lexus, which had this cover on it, which you seen how I checked out everything on it, and it was inside this. All right, this relay, the one I just gave you a part number on, is the same relay, guys. All right, let me go this way because that gives me better lighting. So this relay is the same thing. Only thing they changed is, if you can't find this relay like me, I've been struggling. I'm not about to call the dealer up, but get out of here. So that all they really changed was how the connector is gonna go in there, but everything else is the same. If you look inside, you see that hole on the white relay on this side. The black relay also has it, right? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna push this in, all right? This relay, it's gonna work, trust me guys, it's gonna work. And if you want, this is what I would do if I was you. You're gonna figure out, see the hole on this one is over here. Let me just make sure. So the hole is over here, just like that white relay. So if you was about to put connector in this one, the little notch will go click in here. Hold this relay in the same angle, put it away. And what I'm gonna do is, let me put it down here. I'm gonna take my camera from here. I am gonna put my camera right over here, guys, so everyone can see. Hopefully my camera does not fall down, but not looking good so far. Let me grab this, guys. Alright guys, my delivery parts guy came. Again, this relay, guys, I'm gonna set it up same way, the holes inside, and it's looking just like that, right? If I hold these two relays just like that now, this one has no hole here, that's what it's just looking like. All right guys, so let me bring my light over. So that's what we're looking at right there, right? There's a hole inside, guys. There's a small hole right in the center there. So these are both positioned same way, and I'm gonna stick this black relay into that connector. All right, let me set up my light right here. So if I were to be putting this one like that, I'll take this one and I'll put it just like that, guys. All right, there it goes. We have the relay in there, guys. There's the relay. And let's go inside the car now. I'm gonna go inside the car and you guys stay here, the camera and everything here, and you can listen to it. All right, you will hear the blow motor blow. All right, I'm gonna go inside and I'm gonna put the blow motor on. Guys, that's on low, medium, and then we have high. There it is, guys. Everything is working like it's supposed to, all right? And I'll take you guys inside now. I'll take this little tissue with me. There it is, guys. All right, I'm gonna put it on medium now. And we have medium. We'll go back this way. I'll put it on high, and we have high. We'll put it on low. We have very low. There you go, guys. Bada bing, bada boom. All right, guys. Thank you. Subscribe. Bye bye. And do not jump the cables on the relay, like just remove the relay and jump the wires, because you're always gonna need to turn off, all right, and on. All right guys, there we have it. And What you could do is, you could put a little bit of tape around this so the relay does not come out. But guys, there's the part number on it, and the part number is 056700-7250. all right. And guys, I made a video earlier and that was a little misdiagnostic, but check that video out also. Thank you. Subscribe. Bye bye. Put everything back together after this and let the car run, and put the AC on. Once the Freon flows through it, it should give you cold air through the vents.